guys on how to reduce your noise on your generator. And this is just something I had laying around. You know, I did not really think much of it, but it did reduce the noise significantly. The bedroom is like headed that direction, so the noise is going kind of away, and it reduces the noise about 5 decibels as far as I can tell, but I can definitely see the difference. But this is just a quick idea, you know, that you can use to reduce your noise so you can sleep better, you know, if you're running off the generator. And you want to make sure to don't lean it against the generator, because you don't want to overheat it. You know, leave it some room to breathe, basically, to cool itself down. So this is my setup. My little setup here that's been running for a week already. Yeah, without power for a week. So just a quick idea for you guys. And thanks for watching as always. Have a great day, and thank you very much. Subscribe if you like my videos. Thanks.